We will see some data exploration in R. Let's create a sample data. Data.frame. Let me just add A equals to sample 1 to 20, comma. Suppose I just need 100 samples and replace equals to true. Do sampling with replacement, or else you may get error because I'm just doing a sample from 1 to 20. So you may get some error as to B equals to, again I'll just copy this, Control C, comma, just to enter C equals to, let's do one more time, comma, enter, let's make it as D equals to, comma, enter, let's add one more thing, E equals to, let's do this again, so let's just make it as 20 to 40. Since guys everyone is using the sample function, so your answers and my answers may not match, so please make a note of it. Here you can see your data A, B, C, D, E. Just like you can see, it starts from 20 to 40, so the numbers are different from the first four columns. Okay, even you can just print your data over here. So let's hit Control Enter. Here you can see your entire data has been printed. Let's just do Control L to remove this. Let's calculate some basic statistics. Let's do summary of data. So summary data. Let's hit Control Enter. So summary gives you the distribution across the bandwidth. So suppose let's take a variable A. So this is giving me what is minimum, what is maximum over here. Then first QU means like first quartile, or you can call it as 25%. So what is my 25%? It comes out to be around 5.75. Then median, or you can call it as Q2 or second quartile, but this will be middle value, hence it is called as median. So it is 11. Then mean, what is your the average of entire variable A? So it is given as mean, and third quartile means again the 75 percentile. So this is the information given in your summary. If you wish to calculate the summary of any particular column, then you can use the syntax given below. So we'll make a following syntax for a specific column. Let's do summary data. Suppose you just want to check the summary of fifth column, you can just write the column number 5, or you can also do a comma over here. It works same. Enter. Now you can see this. Let's try to do with a comma. Okay. Here you can see the summary. Maximum is 40, third quartile, mean, median, and minimum also, which has been given over here. Just the format given is different over here. One is in like row structure, and one is given in the column structure, but your answer is same. So you can also use column, and you can also use the, or you can call the summary of a particular column by its name. So let me add over here, calling summary by its name. Let's do summary data dollar. So if your data frame is created properly, then you can see this predictions of your variables. Let's do D. Let's hit Control Enter. So it will give me the summary of my variable called D. Now, if you wish to see the name of variables in a data set, doing a work, let's do this names and just put a data. It gives you the information about what all column names, means like what all variable names you have in your data set.